Hi again, Sherman here. Today's memory installation is going to be on a Mac PowerBook G4 17-inch laptop. And we'll start off the usual way. I'd like to tell you the tools that you're going to need to do this memory installation. In today's case, very simple. One small Phillips screwdriver and the cheapest tool you can get, one genuine US penny, which was probably a nickel before we started, but now it's just down to a penny. So that's the tool we need. To get started, we flip the machine over, and the first thing we do is take the battery off. Here's where you use your penny. We take our penny, and you'll notice there's a little screw right here. It's got a locked and an unlocked position on it. Put the penny in the slot, turn it towards the unlocked position, and you'll notice the battery lifts up right in this little corner. Pick it up, set it aside. The other thing to notice on the bottom of the machine is this little slot right here, this little cover. It has 4 screws on it, and we're going to take them all off and reveal the memory underneath. And because these are small screws, you want to make sure that you take them off very carefully and put them aside, and don't lose them, and don't let them fall into the machine. Also, make sure you've got a small enough screwdriver that you don't strip the screws, because that would be very, very, very difficult to get them both back in, and if you strip it while it's inside, you may have a lot of trouble getting it out. So use a small enough Phillips screwdriver and you won't have any problems. Okay, and we'll take the last screw off. And the cover just comes right off also, along with the screw. The memory in this machine is composed of 2 different modules. Right now, there's just one in the machine, but it can take up to 2. Each particular module can be 1 gigabyte for a total of 2. I'm only going to show you one memory module installation today. The way you take the memory out is use your little fingers and grab the little arms that hold the memory in and pull them towards the side of the machine. And you'll notice that the memory popped up when I did that. See, it's just at a little bit of an angle. And get a good grip on it. It's a little bit tough to get out, not incredibly tough, but a little. Get a good grip on it and just pull the memory straight out. And notice that this notch is on this side of the memory card. That's the same way that you put the memory back in when that time comes around. And now that time has come around. So let's go ahead and put in one memory module, and there are 2 memory slots again in this machine. We're going to install in the bottom slot. If you're going to expand memory, then you'd also install the second module in the top slot. But let's take this 1 gigabyte module, and remember that notch, it's on this side. We're going to put it back in the same spot. Very carefully align your memory in the bottom slot at a slight angle. Push it in, and it'll only go in so far. You'll know it's in when you can't see the little circuit connectors anymore. The little gold parts on the memory module are completely in the socket. Give it a little push. You'll hear the arms click, and your memory is now properly installed. Thank you so much for watching this memory installation video. I hope you've had fun watching it. I know I've had fun making it. Please come visit us at memory10.net, www.memory10.net.